Managing stress effectively takes more than just quick fixes. Today, I'm sharing 5 powerful lifestyle techniques that build resilience and help you handle stress for the long haul. And stick around till the end, where I'm going to share my bonus go-to technique that is both simple and surprisingly effective. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications. I post daily insights on managing adrenal fatigue and creating lasting wellness. Let's get right into the first technique. Number 1 is you want to set micro goals for pacing. Pacing is one of the first things that I insist my patients implement, especially if they're dealing with adrenal fatigue. This isn't just something to practice when you're unwell, it's essential for long-term stress management too. Setting micro goals can really be a game changer. So when you're facing a mountain of tasks, you want to break them down into tiny steps. Instead of focusing on the entire project, just take the first step. Could be opening a document or even just writing a single sentence. By focusing on small actions, you reduce stress and make the overall task feel more manageable. Number 2 is gargling for vagus nerve stimulation. This is one of the surprisingly effective tools to use. The vagus nerve plays a huge role in calming your body, and gargling activates it. Try gargling with water every morning, about 30 seconds. It stimulates the throat muscles, which turns on the vagus nerve, helping your nervous system stay balanced. Number 3 is nature walks or forest bathing. Spending time in nature, which is known as forest bathing, has a grounding effect. Even just 15 minutes a day in a natural setting like a park, your backyard, it can help lower your stress hormones and lift your mood. Nature reminds us that we're part of something bigger. Studies show that even brief exposure to nature reduces cortisol levels, so try to make it a daily habit. Number 4, prioritize restorative sleep to refill your tank. So let's talk about one of the most underrated tools for managing stress, is quality sleep. Sleep isn't just rest, it's when your body repairs itself, especially in those first few hours before midnight. This is the phase when you release the most growth hormone, which supports tissue repair and resilience. Aligning your natural circadian rhythm by going to bed earlier helps to deepen that restorative sleep. And a lack of quality sleep disrupts your neurotransmitters like serotonin, GABA, dopamine, which are crucial for mood and stress management. Consistent quality sleep, it isn't just about energy. It's a foundational tool for reducing stress and restoring balance. And number 5 is a nervous system reset with breath work focused on exhalation. Breath work is a powerful tool for calming the nervous system and a simple technique to try to lengthen your exhalation. Take a deep breath in through your nose, then exhale slowly for about twice as long as your inhale. So if you inhale for a count of 4, you exhale for 8. And this activates your parasympathetic nervous system, vagus nerve 2, shifting your body from fight or flight to rest and digest. Practicing this even a few times a day can make a noticeable difference in your stress levels. Okay, so here's the bonus. Grounding or earthing for nervous system balance. So this is a practice I recommend to all my patients, but a lot of them blow it off. This is a simple tool that just involves connecting your body directly to the earth's surface, like walking barefoot on grass or soil. Now, research suggests that grounding helps to balance the body's electrical charge, which can reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and promote a calm and more centered feeling. Even just 10 to 15 minutes of grounding can make a huge difference. But what do you do in the winter? Which is a good question, because what do we do? Those of us in the snow and the cold. Grounding can still be done indoors with a few simple tools that help to simulate that direct contact with the Earth's surface. There are grounding mats and socks and bands and patches, which are wearable options when they're connected to a grounded outlet. So if this video resonated with you, please like it and share it with somebody you know. All my best.